Introducing the Draper semi-automatic wheel balancer. Although this is a long video, we feel it's important to clearly and carefully demonstrate each step for you, allowing you to set up and operate the machine confidently and safely. This product is shipped in a wooden crate and pallet, so make sure you have suitable equipment to lift and move the unit. Start by removing the outer crate. Remove the plastic wheel guard from the side of the machine and then undo the 2 bolts securing the machine to the pallet. Position the machine, making sure there's adequate access around it, and secure it to a firm level floor using suitable fixings. It's strongly advised that electrical connections are performed by qualified technicians only. For accurate results, the installation must be done properly, so make sure the installation is checked by a suitably qualified person. The first step is to attach the wheel safety guard to the balancer by sliding the guard onto the shaft, and secure it in place by tightening the clamp bolts, ensuring the safety guard is level when it's in the lowered position. Finally, attach and secure the cone holders to the side of the machine. Once the machine's been installed and set up, it needs to be calibrated. It's all explained in this manual, but let me show you how easy it is to do. Switch the machine on, then select the correct size cone and mount a medium-sized wheel. 14 inches ideal, but check the tyre pressure first. Slide the wheel onto the centering shaft, making sure it's secured in place. Input the rim data using the pull-out arm and measuring calipers. Press and hold the inside and outside weight, recalibration and self-check keys. The display reads cal, cal, cal. Hold the keys until the balancing position LEDs light up and start flashing. Then lower the wheel guard and press the Start key. The machine will spin the wheel and then stop, displaying Add 100. This indicates that the 100-gram calibration weight supplied needs to be attached to the outer circumference edge of the rim. Go ahead and do this. Pull the wheel guard down and press the Start key. When the spin cycle has finished, the calibration has ended and the data will be memorized in the machine. The display will read End Cal. Remove and safely store the 100-gram calibration weight. With the calibration finished, let's get started. Before mounting a wheel onto the machine, remove any old weights from the rim, large stones or obvious debris from the tyre tread. Also check that the tyre is inflated to the correct pressure. Make sure the wheel's centre cap is removed and if necessary, select the correct size mounting cone for the wheel. Place the wheel onto the centering shaft. Making sure the inner rim is against the flange and lock in place using the thumb lock and adjustable hub nut. Make sure it's secured tightly and doesn't wobble. The last thing you want is for the wheel to come flying off. Spin the wheel by hand to double check it's secure and square to the machine. Now set the wheel data as follows. Measure the distance from the balancer to the inner wheel rim using the rim distance pointer. The measurement data will be displayed automatically, but you can manually adjust this if required by using these arrowed buttons on the control panel. Now measure the rim width using the calipers supplied. Entering and adjusting the displayed reading accordingly. Enter and adjust the wheel diameter using the arrowed buttons. Lower the wheel guard and press the Start button. Wait for the wheel to come to a complete stop. The weights required will be displayed in the relevant windows. Rotate the wheel by hand until all the LEDs for the inner rim light up. Note the display reading and attach the correct weight or weights to the rim at top dead center. The balancing procedure can be changed to suit most wheel types using this ALU button here. You should always refer to the vehicle manufacturer's data for the correct weight positions. Repeat the process for the outer rim. Now lower the wheel guard and start the machine. Again, wait for the wheel to come to a complete stop, and if necessary, reposition or add further weights until the control panel displays zeros for both sides of the rims. If there are more weights than rubber on your wheel, then there's an underlying problem with the wheel rim or a defective tyre. For more information, refer to our instruction manual available online. And if you haven't already, be sure to watch our tyre changer video.